Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to support the fuel tank on the hood of our old tractor project, which is a 1941 Ford 9N tractor. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, projects, and yard work. This tractor includes a cross member that helps support the fuel tank in the rear. The cross member has rotted out from rust and is no longer attached to the main portion of the hood. Prior to painting this piece, as shown in another video, I drilled through the metal so I could use hardware to support the cross member to the hood. I found that this would be adequate in order to support the tank. Anytime there is a loose fuel tank, it is an immediate safety concern. In addition to that, I would later work my way through various systems on this project and I need to do test drives. This loose tank, however, seems to be an issue that occurred for a while, as on the other side there were strings and plastic zip ties to hold the fuel tank. After spending more time to look into it, the side with zip ties and string wasn't even attached to the fuel tank. So once again I found myself drilling into the metal to allow space for hardware that would support the cross member. Although this leads to the possibility of replacing the entire hood, this quick fix will have to work for now, as the primary goal is to get this tractor operating again. I am, however, glad to spend time to look into issues such as these, which may seem small, but as the case with the fuel tank, it can be a serious safety concern and fire hazard. It would be very easy to just start the engine and get up and running. However, sometimes it is these small overlooked tasks that can pose a big safety concern. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.